Let's go. Family. One more time.
What are we gonna say, bro? Let's plan something.
For what? It's been working just like. Hello, 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 hello. Do you remember those cartoons?
Hello.
Hello, 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 hello. Molweni!
Molweni Emakaya.
Welcome to Sibling Thrivalry. If it's your first time here, welcome. We love you so much,
Already.
Yes.
Already, like.
Welcome to the House of Fun, and we hope you have as much fun as we do.
Absolutely.
My name is Talita.
And my name is Zuko Ndima.
Hallelujah.
We are brothers and sisters.
I am older, wiser, and cuter.
And I'm younger, faster, and stronger.
That was a good one.
Right?
That was really good.
Yeah.
Hope you guys are well. How's your week been?
Week's been good. Week's been okay. Yeah, going through the most, you know. My whole life is about running, and I'd like to offer an apology, please, to every single person that I've dragged. One, how do you know someone is running Comrades, or how do you know someone is running a marathon? They tell you. How do you know someone is doing their MBA? They will tell you.
Yeah.
I've caught myself, I don't know in how many conversations. First 3 minutes with conversation, for instance. Yeah, no, because because I'm running Cape Town. Am I that person?
Well, it consumes your life. I mean, you if there's one thing you do the most regularly is run.
Bruh.
And it takes a long time. It's not like you're doing it for 5 minutes. So it's understandable.
Yeah, so message your phone. Take or greet the person next to you. Tell them, ask them how their week was. Hey, I learned something so... No, my knees. No, guys. No, so I
Running
apologize
has
to
become your
anyone that I've ever dragged.
personality.
No.
That's whack. I'm so sorry.
Are you an introvert, extrovert? I'm a runner. No ways. But
at least you're mindful of it, so you can do what you do.
Yeah, no, for sure. It's just that, and I think more than anything else, it just taught me, Uguti, it's easy to judge. And I take that and I put it like against any other situation. It's easy to judge up until into ends.
Yes, until you're in that situation.
I know bilula. Yeah, but it's easy to judge up until you actually really do something, which it gave me, that for me was like the perfect example of something like that. So
maintenance last week.
I get, and yes.
I'm just saying, it's easy to judge until you're in those shoes.
Yeah, absolutely. And another thing that linked to that. Another thing is, it's if you think it's easy, that we should put that somewhere one day. If you think it's easy, then you don't know enough. Loved that. I thought that was completely crazy. Yeah. Otherwise, how are you?
I'm okay.
Yeah.
Just floating through it, you know.
Okay. So it's like Tandy.
This is my pigtails.
Yes.
This is literally my favorite hairstyle.
Oh, really?
And sometimes I judge myself because I'm like, am I too old for it?
Like youthful. It does give off that youthful, playful vibe.
And the thing is, kule afro, even the pondeliwa, lingingi.
Awbo phika lokutla uliwa uyatsweba.
So I'm like, Fuzzy too, it looks so healthy and like luscious and delicious. So this is me. This is what I'm doing. I've got so much issues with my hair.
Ne?
But I just need a new thing. I just don't know what it is.
Okay.
I'm done. And that's the only thing I was doing. So and that's what you know.
Ustakilo.
Very stuck. Don't try me.
Yo, call hairstyle. Find no. Oh, ilibele. Favorite hairstyle yam, bruh.
Indon, what is describe it?
It's called the because she had it. Beyenzile the other time.
Leo munga ubene.
Ubene nde one, ubene plate nje, one line your plate. Kuthiwa indoni kanene?
I don't know what it's called, but I know what you're talking about.
I try independent woman. It's right here. She's I think.
Yeah,
I
hopefully
think.
think
Oh,
about it.
could try breadwinner.
Oh!
That is my most favorite hairstyle in the whole wide world.
No, I don't know if it look cute on me. I feel like forget the next day say shaka.
But look, the whole point, right, is that it's easy to do.
Yes, but to maintain.
And it's that thing where you put your hair here.
Then you fuck gel and then
you fuck gel and then you plait it here. Okay, you plait 180. And apparently it's easy to do.
It is easy to do.
And that's why they call it the breadwinner, because it takes the least amount of
breadwinner's gotta go make this bread.
No, absolutely.
Dude, before we start, please grab that photo behind you.
Okay, this one.
Yes.
Okay.
Because in every episode, people ask us what school we went to, and there's a specific school that they
This one.
Yeah, there's a specific school that they always ask about.
Okay.
Kaba Esiskolo is, I don't even know where that school is in what
Okay.
province, but we went to St. Dominic's Primary School in Port Elizabeth. We did not go to Krewe or Crew or.
Oh, is it something? What's it? KREWE?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Okay, cool. Now that we have that out of the way, every episode I'm like, we must tell them.
Why does this irritate you so much?
No, because in every episode someone asks.
Oh, yeah, Miss Represendo.
Yeah, Miss Represendo. Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Let's
Alright,
get
cool.
this party started with some comments. So the first comment is from YouTube, from Setu Levels. My least favorite thing about the episodes is that Ziyaphela while I'm still enjoying.
You should have seen my face drop, bro. When you started the sentence, I was like, oh no. What?
Maybe when we reach 10K subscribers, you guys can host us somewhere for a live, longer conversation. See, badale entrance fee or something. You are living in our heads, right? Also, maybe we must accept that sometimes it's Xhosa stolikwa because kunini ndicingwa English word for uphuchuluka. Also, I said it wrong again.
I'm a
student of life.
You're a human being.
Yeah. It's not a puchuluka, it's a puchuluka. So sorry guys for misrepresenting that word, but thanks for the correction.
One politically correct.
It's serious,
Okay, no, for sure. No. You don't want to offend the wrong people. You know what I mean?
100%, especially because we were the ones who were like, no, there's no R in Xhosa.
Absolutely. So, Setu Level. And I think I commented on that to say...
Yeah, but in last week's episode, we spoke about it.
Yeah, and we spoke about it as well.
But
So.
no one has seen that episode yet.
Yeah.
So
go get that checked out, Setu. You might have a gift.
yes, 100%.
For sure.
Okay, and then we've got Uvovo 551. Can we talk about how Tamzupula is so knowledgeable about the matters of medicine, even women's health in this episode? When he said in an older video he is 7 years short of his medical degree, we laughed. But there's something there, Hlaminomhle. Yes, I'm giving you your flowers, Mdase, and maybe perhaps the medical degree is indeed loading. Ndikuthembile ke ngommanifesta.
Whoa!
Love you guys, love this channel. Thanks, Vovo.
Thanks so much, bro.
Dude, you impressed everyone. Everyone was like, hey, Tamzupela umuntu serious in life.
Little do they know.
Little do they know, man, clown. But I was also super impressed. Like, I was watching some of it this morning and I was like, what? Also, nesame ziphumayo zingaphumiyo, but ziphuma right. I was
But you
like,
see, that's just how my mind works. In Monday, just works in that logical manner, but everything must tie up to everything else. You know what I mean? On that particular one. But also, I must also say that when I rewatched that episode, I was just like, how did I know that? I didn't know that I knew it. You know what I mean? Like,
Exactly.
there's some of those things that I just answered
yes.
almost impulsively.
Yes.
And then I'm like, you know, I know knowledge.
Yeah, your brain just has retained these things. You haven't had to use the knowledge at any point, but you've heard it or you've seen it or you've read it once and yeah, which is really dope. Even girls, some girls are like, 34 people.
We are these and Jebe counted.
Hey, we're 40. That's so wild.
I also found that quite interesting that a lot of people were just like, I didn't know that. And I was like, they ladies, and I'm just like, yo, man.
How?
Yeah.
It's wild. But it's definitely inspired a lot of people to,
Yes.
just be like, okay, I need to know more.
Yeah,
Men
yeah,
and
yeah.
women, which is really,
no,
really
correct. No, definitely. Yeah, I definitely
All right.
think so.
Final one. This is a shout out to Akona Poswayo, who left us 14 rand.
Multiplied by 3.
Multiplied by 3.
She's done 3 episodes, bro.
Oh, really?
Super thanks.
Oh my gosh.
Was party Mali.
Malika December.
Akona, love you so
Thank you
much.
so much, Akona. You're the first person to ever do this for us. And it's so sweet. I think it's one of the sweetest things
It is
anyone's
very sweet.
ever done, John.
No, completely. And I'm just like, and yeah, I looked at it from that perspective of saying, Fandini, Umdu just decided, oh man, you know what? I like what you guys do.
Yeah.
Can't nip mali.
Piwe
mali.
Yes, 100%. That's what like adults used to do to kids, like Javile or whatever. Atini namchana nanzi 5 rand.
Bro,
that's exactly what it felt like.
I shout out Yom Shaba.
No, well done. Thank you so much. That was the coolest thing that has happened.
No, that's very, very cool. And now when I saw it, the notification came up, they screenshot, they do me la leva, except and it was genuine excitement.
No, for real, dude.
It was
Like,
genuine
because it really
excitement.
doesn't matter how much money it is. It's just like you're bigging us up, which is awesome.
No,
and money
definitely.
is always a motivator, you know what I'm saying?
No, for sure, definitely. So thank you so much.
Thanks, my darling.
Thank you so much.
That was amazing.
I think maybe you might have just, opened up the floodgates.
Floodgates for our mpahla Christmas.
You know what I mean? Yazi ba isandla esisikelelekileyo sisandla esiphayo.
100%. Thanks, man. That was really, really awesome.
That was super.
Let's get into the Xhosaness of it all.
Okay.
Got some words for you?
Yeah, I feel so much under pressure, guys, because I'm carrying the topic today. So
And?
I just feel like everything is happening too quickly. And I think
I'm just like moving it along because I need time to answer these questions, whatever they are.
Oh, to Pakamani over Pakans. Representing my hood.
All right, cool. First word, ichivela.
Okay. Chivela. Yo. Mna
Ulichivela.
ukhula kwam andigodukile ndiye ezilalini ndandisasisoluse ekhaya kwakho impahla ekhaya ne ngoku xa sikhaphele inkomo kwakumele uba sikhaphela inkomo siphinde sibuye kha thina sasilibala kuchivela.
Okay. What's the English word?
To muck around.
So when the city ulichivela, what do you say in English?
They're
Can't you just say they're lazy?
uyonqena ulazy kukonqena
Yeah, but that's another word.
ayikokuchivela.
Uchivela is different.
Yeah, man. Yes, because it's to waste time somewhere. No, to konqena. Ukonqena is like,
I see. You're just doing nothing. Yeah.
Ukonqena mna I liken it to dithi mhlawumbe ngumuntu onemizanga. Yo idilivile lo gama ndikhula. Kuthani namizanga.
Fondini. Mother, Susa, 5 December. Sinemizanga.
Also, I'd really love to know, just completely off topic, but what's the difference ngondlula ibheji ngo-8 xa uphuma nokondlula ngo-1 mhlawumbe emini?
You know what I think it is? I think it's what do you call this thing? Routine. It's instilling
Building a routine.
Yes.
It's not about making the bed.
No, it's not about making the bed. It's not about the time. It's just like if you build a routine for like waking up in your life, then everything is already sorted. You don't even have to think about it because that's how routinely you do. And then you move on.
Okay, got you.
Yeah, I think that's what it is.
Undlula nini wena?
Andiva, babes.
Undlula nini wena?
Wake up. I definitely don't have a routine for ukondlula.
Is it?
It could be before shower, it could be after shower.
Okay.
Yeah, but
Okay.
it depends on what I'm doing that day, I think.
Oh, okay. No, got you.
Second word.
Yeah.
Ibongo. Dine bongo ngawe mntanami.
Osana lwam.
Oh.
Ngizolibele ekhaya.
Sana lam dine bongo.
But we didn't finish ichivela.
Oh, shmaki.
Ichivela. Sithe indoni.
It's a mucker around.
Okay.
Not
Time waster.
Time waster. Yeah. I think that's the closest. But you guys will tell us because you guys know everything.
No, absolutely. Bongo.
Yeah. Oh, ude wagraduate uzuko ndinebhongo ngumntanam.
Dine bongo. Hope. Vision.
Pride.
Can I tell you why I disagree?
Why not?
Yo, ake utalita ke wo awuna mabhongo ke.
Pride.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
So that's I'm looking at it from that perspective. Dina sana lwam dine bongo ngoswana.
I'm proud of my baby.
Okay, but can't it also be linked to? So you're not sure about amabhongo, it's like dreams, vision, things that you want to achieve.
True. That's why I saying Atolika. Why did we even start this also?
Stakile hamster wheel and aliye kubaleka hamster wheel.
Done. Tell us what ibhongo is.
Okay, but also then to your point, ibhongo could be ibhongo, pride. Because you can never use it the other way around to saying ba hayi kaloku dinebhongo loba ndingayinto ethile ngamabhongo tedi ngamabhongo namabhongo hey ikhona enye yathi ndandifuna nayo esigela ndiyazi noma izayibukela leyo igama layo ngubhongo lethu our pride. Facts.
Yeah, 100%. Yeah.
Okay, I can accept that. But when it's plural,
then it kind of means something different.
Yo.
It's a little bit of a different word.
Okay, cool.
We
I can get
accept
that. I can mess with that.
Lovely. Please tell us what the topic for today is. I am so stressed. I've been stressed ever since you told me. I'm just like, oh my gosh.
Stress, man.
Because you did so well and I'm so competitive. I need to do well too.
No, but it's not a competition.
I know that.
Yeah.
In my heart of hearts.
Sibling.
Thriving.
Yeah, sibling rivalry. And I've got a bit of a confession to make as well before we even start or get into it.
Yeah.
I've been wrecking my brain for the past couple of weeks trying to figure out what is the male equivalent
of the questions I
of
asked
the
you.
questions you asked me.
Okay.
And I've come to realize ukuthi ayikho email equivalent.
Okay.
Look, I mean, I put it on my status because they're about Instagram. I put it on my status. That tin. I did all of these things, right? And I'm just trying to look for it now. And asking people, guys, what's the male equivalent? And I couldn't find one. I couldn't find the male equivalent.
So,
I can lead.
I'm so stressed. I feel like I'm telling you stressed and then you're giving me like a monologue.
Sorry. Okay. Yeah, and there was someone who actually said to me, Dibuzile. So my question was, Braz, I need help. What is the male equivalent of these questions, right? That I can ask Utalita. I can't even think of one. Surely there are plenty. I desperately need a one-up. TIA.
A one-up?
Yes.
Oh, it's not a competition, but you need a one-up. Klokile, pura.
And then Akona Kaiya says, laughing face, azithethwa kaloku into zenu.
So true. You guys belong to a secret society. So we will never know.
Right?
Good, Akona. Very good.
Spot on.
Yeah, very spot on.
Spot on. I did get 2 other suggestions, and I think maybe something that we might want to get into in another episode. Things talking about checkups, male checkups, process. So very much kind of similar to what you'd asked, like uchekisha prostate exam, how is it done, etc., etc., etc. But I thought those were something that was going to give us something to talk about, maybe in another episode where we kind of are a little bit more medically inclined, the episode itself, right? So I thought maybe we could do that on that episode. So thank you so much, and shout out to everyone that did respond. So I was just like, you know what, I'm going to break the norm.
Okay,
Yabo?
let's go.
At the end of the day, in order to stick out, you need to do something that has never been done before.
Oh.
Yeah, understand? So for example, ndizakubuza ngokuba yabona ngoku xa ke ngoku uyinkwenkwe ehlathini.
Hayi bo, ndizoyazelaphi ngelonto.
Saxelela siwa. Adlala. Yo, joke.
Even if ngiyayazi, everyone will be like, uyazelaphi. Hey, feel party yakuxelela lonto.
You understand? So I've had to be creative about it.
I'm so excited.
And creativity
Okay, dog, massive.
The creativity led me to a point of saying I can't do like for like.
Okay.
And the fact that we are at the age that we are at, I said a preamble. The fact that we are at the age that we are at right now brings us to a very interesting part where we are in our lives, where we've got Bandaba Xhosa, 2K, and they have their own slang that they use.
Give me 0, ma'am.
What do you mean?
Give me 0.
Oh,
Give me 0.
Johnny.
I'll make it up with tests during the week. Give me 0, ma'am. It's a 2K thing. You'll give me 0, ma'am. It's probably the only one I know.
So the heading of the questionnaire is Gen Z slang.
Oh my gosh. Okay, let's go.
It's Gen Z slang.
Yeah,
right?
I'm so bad.
Let's start you off nicely. Right? And they say something is sus. What does that mean?
Suspect. You are sus, ma'am. Jonga look. You are being so sus, ma'am.
Sus is?
Suspect. You're being suspect.
You're being suspect. Okay. Don't you want to use it
in another sentence?
Yeah, or use another word to describe it. I can give you half a mark.
Suspicious.
Yes, well done.
Suspicious, but okay.
Okay, well done, suspicious.
Okay, cool.
Okay, fine, fantastic. Use it in a sentence.
Mom keeps walking into my room. She's so sus.
Ding, 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 ding.
Living my 2K dreams.
Love that, right?
Okay.
Obviously, we start off easy,
okay,
and then you progress the test.
So stressed, yeah.
Delulu.
Delusional.
Okay, yeah.
Delulu is the salulu.
Okay. There we go. Yeah, Mona, you see? It's not so difficult.
Oh, you're setting me up. You're setting me up.
I'm not setting up for anything.
Okay, cool. Let's go.
Okay. Okay. Low key or high key.
I can use it in a sentence.
Okay. That gets you half a mark.
Wait, I'm gonna first use it in a sentence.
Sure.
Today's weather was low-key sus. It was giving.
It was giving.
Summer, winter, autumn, spring. At the same time.
You've just used 3 slang terms in one sentence. Lovely. Full marks.
Oh, thank you.
I haven't heard high key though. And high key. But low key, I always hear it's low key. It's low key. This
low key is a lot.
You low key hate me. It's low key warm.
Let's say I'm lactose intolerant, but I high key love ice cream.
Okay, fair.
Yeah.
Fair.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, but it's not used often. Not
Full
that
mark.
I've heard.
Full mark.
Give me another one.
Chai.
It's chai, bro. Like a latte, bro. Pelile ngawe. Siyachayisa emsebenzini.
And that's where I think it's derived from.
It has to be. But where did the 2Ks get a hold of it?
Priyabaz kaloku Fontin.
Ukchayisa is also not something that's used in all languages.
Correct. And chaile.
Chayile time.
It's chaile time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's chai. Yeah, pelile le nto besizoyenza.
So kusuka eXhoseni chai. Yeah, I didn't know suka eXhoseni. Okay, cool. Scaife.
Animpakuza ihubble bubble. Ngiyaskeifisa ngicela omnye umntana ba akudlalise. Iskeifa lo foyini. Ifunxa yonke. I'm a person of the world.
Oh no! Correct. So Scafe also speaking to
If it doesn't have to be into chayayo, it can even be into chiwayo.
Scafe chips, Scafe songa, Scafe ngwadi, whatever. It can be whatever. Lovely, 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 lovely. Okay. Math. The math is not mathing.
What are you doing?
Okay.
The math is not mathing. It means that what's happening is not making sense.
Okay.
1 + 1 is not equal to 2.
100%. Yeah. And you lose a phone. Are you getting? Oh, okay.
Oh, we are winning.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Yes.
We're getting into the more interesting ones.
Oh
now,
gosh.
right?
Okay.
There's a bit of a nabubu plot twist, but anyways, this was the worst day of my life. This is the worst day of my life. That's it.
What?
That's it.
What's the question?
That's the question. Worst day of my life. What does it mean as a slang term? When someone says, this is the worst day of my life.
It means something.
Or when this happened, then it was the worst day of my life.
It means like you didn't have a good time. Once again, nonsense. What do you mean?
Okay. Okay.
Am I wrong?
Yeah, you're wrong.
Care to share?
So yeah, so it's taking something and blowing it out of proportion. Worst day of my life used to hyperbole. Used to describe a minor inconvenience.
That is a trick question. That's literally a trick question.
Yeah, for sure. We need to throw in some, right?
Okay, fine.
Okay.
I'm 41, by the way, in case. I'm 20 years older than this.
And then something that you know what? I saw this meme and it literally lives rent-free in my mind.
Okay. It's something that you think about often.
Yes!
Yes.
It's something that you think about all the time.
Yeah.
Yay, okay.
For sure.
Lovely, 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 lovely. Okay, cool. Now we're gonna move on. Okay, last word before we move on to the next section.
Oh my God.
Right?
Okay.
The next section is me telling you something,
Yeah.
and then you have to give me the
Slang term.
slang term for it, right? But before we do that, the last one, Riz.
Funny. Riz, baba. Just having some, some flavor. Eat that thing. Riz. What is it short for, though, also?
Do you know where it comes from?
Where?
Charisma.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, I did not know
Yeah.
that.
So go makota sitting abantu abane Riz.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah,
for sure.
you got Riz her up. I rizzed her.
Yeah.
Doing njalo. Usually used between male and female.
Cute. He's
right.
got so much riz.
He's got so much Riz. Yeah. So ila charm. Charisma.
100%.
That's where Riz comes from.
Thank you.
Okay, cool. No, man.
No, carry on.
Yeah, because we're winning so much.
No, it's cool.
Okay. Now you must give me the term. I'm going to explain it.
Okay.
Yabo. But I'm running, right? I'm running, and I'm running. Let's say I'm running a 10K. You know very well that I'm more than capable of doing it.
Yeah.
Ne? You just know that, right? But then and people are just like, he's not gonna make it, this guy. He's definitely not gonna make it.
Yeah.
What would you say to them? To tell them, but you know I'm gonna finish. Oh no!
So,
What?
it's too easy.
Or I'm explaining something. Nah? I'm explaining something, but I'm not getting to the point. And people are just like, no, man, you must just keep quiet. You don't know what you're talking about. What would you say to defend me, knowing that I'm going to say the right thing?
Give me 0.
Okay, I'm going to give you the Xhosa word, the Xhosa sentence for it, and then you just have to translate it.
Okay.
Miega beg.
Let him cook! I would have never thought of that. Let the man cook. I know it though, but I've never. Yeah, it does. It pays rent in my mind. It's not rent free.
Yeah, fatally rent. It was there in your mind.
High rent.
And now giving the examples, it's just that obviously you don't use the language, so it'll
Yeah.
make it a bit difficult.
I've used it though.
Okay.
I think I used it last week.
Someone who is the best in field or category in something that they do. What we do?
You go to show. Moose cruise. GOAT. Go.
Greatest of all
I'm 100%. Oh no, I'm so impressed. I got that one.
Okay. This one might be a bit little bit complex.
Yeah.
Bali, yamazi ke. Yaxoka.
Yeah.
To lie. To lie.
To lie.
Yeah. To lie. I don't want to lie. I got 80% for that test. I don't want to lie. You lying.
What? Who's lying?
It can be. No. No.
What's happening?
No, Yakoka.
No.
Yeah. Okay. Give you a clue for half a mark.
Okay.
You can also use the word to describe a clothing item.
What kind of clothing item?
A clothing item, a piece of clothing.
Wait. Swag? No.
Yeah, swag.
I don't know. What is it?
You come like telephone. I say a swag or you trip.
Drip.
Okay.
I say.
It's a clothing item that you can wear on this part when you.
Like a hat. Cap, dog! Oh my gosh! Cap! Yo! That's Cap, my homie. We are cloak a dog.
He's capping, my man.
I'm so annoyed.
Because you know the term.
Yes! That's Cap. It took me a while to get there, but I got there.
Half a mark.
Okay, cool.
Nyan. Yo, nyani Buddha. I'll better yona yongo.
Is that the opposite of Cap? Oh my gosh.
No. Yes. Actually, that's wonderful. It could be the opposite of cap, actually. Could absolutely be the opposite of cap.
Oh man, and I know this.
Yeah.
Can you tell me what letter it starts with?
No, that's obvious. Sometimes what the people put in front of it big.
Oh.
Come on, Talita. 5. 4.
Wait, don't count out loud. I can't think. Facts. Oh, facts. There's facts, my homie.
Talita,
Big facts.
I love you so much.
Yo, you stressed me
That
out.
is dope. Well done.
Okay.
Well, I'm
Yo.
so sweaty.
Me too.
Nobody
Nobody knows what the weather is today. Again.
Okay, cool. Love that. You on a roll. And then, okay. So, okay. I'm serious.
Yeah.
That's the thing.
Serious. Is it one word?
Are you serious? It's 2 words.
For real?
No. Queen Latifah. Kasonde, come up a couple of generations from for real.
Oh, wow. Is for one of the first word?
No. For nothing.
I'm serious.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm being serious. Come on.
Is it clue?
Opposite of alive.
Dead.
Yeah. Not dead serious.
Is there another word?
Yes, 2 words.
Is dead the first one?
Yeah. Talita, come on,
I'm
bro.
dead.
I'm dead. When you're laughing at something, okay. Quarter mark.
Yeah. Dead. I keep
So
wanting
who
to
did
say
dead
dead
beat?
broke.
Dead ass.
Oh!
Come on, boy.
And this is your ass.
Okay, cool. We've got 2 more to go. Clutch?
Clutch bounce.
No, naughty clutch. Naughty clutch. Because clutch. Because it's not the car part. And I was just like, yo, dog, that's so clutch, bro. Yo!
Olive.
Huh?
I've never heard that before.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Helpful, beneficial.
Wow.
Those are some of the synonyms. Oh, I was working late at the office, and I was working on this project, and I didn't have time to do anything. And then Utalita brought me lunch, and that was so clutch, bro.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah, that's the explanation that I got.
Olive.
Yeah. So clutch. And then
Clutch, mate.
the last one that I have before I calculate. There's so many.
Oh.
Okay, two more.
Okay.
Will you allow me 2 more?
Yeah.
Welling.
Quelling to the highest level. I still don't know what that means.
What do you mean?
Equalize actually. So don't I get a point for quelling to the highest level, bro?
You do. You get half a point for quelling to the highest level. You
But
used it in
now
a sentence.
So what am I
supposed
So what am I supposed to do? Tell shout out Lerato, because you're the only person who taught me some of it.
Okay.
Is there a meaning?
There should be a meaning. There is a meaning.
Do you know what the meaning?
But you've just used it in a sentence. Like, quelling to the highest level. I feel like
You don't know.
I do know.
Oh,
No one knows.
so you're
no
feeling-
one, no. Let's be honest. No one knows what it means.
Lesbionics.
You understand? But it's just provocative. But for me, quelling to the highest level, right?
Kukwenza ndoni.
Uyiqwela for it's like for me, uqwela into is even phethe into esityeni. Nditye yonke. Ate it.
Utye nesibaya.
A 4 plus 4 it. You know what I mean?
Okay.
A 4 plus 4 it.
Yeah.
Qwelile.
Yeah.
Iqinile. There's
Yeah,
nothing
yeah.
left for anyone else.
Oh, okay.
Ate it.
Is
Left
that
no
what
crumbs.
it means?
Quelling to the highest level.
Is that what you feel, or is that what it means?
That's what it is. I'm willing to put my head on the block for this one. wrong.
The 2Ks are gonna come for you.
Quelling, yeah. For me, if it doesn't mean that, ninaba wrong.
Yeah, that's a good example.
Yeah.
Quelling to the highest level, man.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Quelling, welled. Yeah.
Next.
Which comes from uqwela. Sharp. Last but not least, what is a
Sorry.
last but not least, what is a simp?
Isimbi ntwana nje.
How do you know this? What?
Isimbu ngumntu. It's like it's usually used for guys for some reason.
Okay.
It's like a guy who is like head over heels for someone. Angenza noba yintoni. Uyisimp. Atitshere yakho, hey, ndifuna ntoni? Please get me McDonald's. And aphinda phone xa seyifowunile McDonald's. Athi hayi andisayifuni. Ndifuna into athi okay. Isimple.
Vuma zonke.
Mr. Vuma zonke.
That's interesting. Because the explanation that I got for it is a man that's this is so hectic.
Yeah.
A man that's overly submissive. Yo! I just thought what's that?
That's a lot.
Or attentive to someone of which une romantic interest in.
Yes. Is that not what I just described?
Yeah. I'm just reading the official Nancy Ika.
It makes it sound weird.
It makes it sound weird.
Simping can be good, but it can also not be great.
How does that work?
Which one?
Simping being good and not great.
Because sometimes you push over, and
Okay.
that's not great. But sometimes someone's just in love with you, and they're just like, babes. Then they're like, oh, he's such a simp. You're like, no, I just love her.
And I think maybe inokutsalwa ngembumlo obu-involved somewhere.
Yeah. Also,
Bawuyatsalwa. Then uyisimp. Ba uyazikhethela wena. Ba afuna baby girl ngizayenzela lento.
but this is the thing, from the outside, nobody knows if who's ketelo kanye yatsalo.
Yeah,
they
as
can call
wena,
you
as long as uyazi ngaphakathi.
But also, if these kids, what are they doing? Like, where does
Yeah.
it come from? Sympathetic.
Yeah, simple. Simple-minded.
Really?
Could be.
I don't think so.
Bro, you must remember that people have made these words up. So that is nelungelo
To make up
to
what
do
we
the
miss.
exact same thing.
Yeah,
Okay.
one more. Last one.
Last one. Okay. These ones are easy. Okay. It's a word, right? To describe when someone's just like, Talita, kan khaphe phone nisendaweni ethile. Uthi wena yasho. Talita, uyandithanda, yasho. Talita, something that you'd be agreeable to or agree to. Yes. It's also like a way to say yes.
There's like a 1984
Is the number?
shot. Exactly.
Short, bro.
Shot a lot, buddy.
Yeah.
I don't know. What does it start with?
Letter after, I feel like we're playing 30 seconds.
Yeah.
Letter after A. Letter after A.
B.
Yep. You can also do the same thing on horses. Yeah,
What are you guys
my
doing?
clues are the best
No,
because
they're
they don't
literally
lead
the
you to
worst.
anything.
Anyway, that
But
makes them the
in
worst.
hindsight, was even bad. This was actually this clue was actually spot on.
You ride a horse. You can do it on a horse.
Yeah, you do it on horses. You can do it on one horse or you can do it on many horses. Horses. He's.
One horse, two horses, three heels.
Three heels.
Bray. That's what a donkey does. Break. You can break a horse.
Can you break horses? Horses.
Yes, if they're wild, you break them.
Okay. No, it's not that. To say yes is break. Also, don't just grab random terms. You're cheating. You're cheating. Don't grab random terms. So, come on. Okay. Uzayenza ku-Durban July. Emashini.
Yeah, bet. Oh! Bet! Oh!
Type shit.
And that's so easy. No, it's your clues are whack.
No. You can do it to horses. Bet. Is that not perfect?
You said
sense?
on horses. You can
Yes,
bet on
you bet on a horse. You can't do it in a horse.
How much did I get?
Okay, out of the number of points that were on the table, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
17 questions.
What a random number. Yeah.
Keepers. Okay.
17 you got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and a half. 12 and a half.
That's not too bad.
Bonus points.
What? Do you have a bonus point
Yeah.
question? Oh,
Bonus points.
I hate
You get 2
losing.
points. You get 2 points. No, you get a point for what you get right here, but we don't add to your out of score.
Why?
So still out of 17, you get a point. It's a bonus
Oh,
point,
it's still out of 17.
Bonus points.
Okay.
right? Okay. You're doing a really great job.
Thanks.
No, that's the question. Oh, no. No. Oh, no.
There's a word for that.
Yeah. Ile hairstyle ile kwenza ngathi ngumntana. Doing a really good job. You
Well,
dressed really well.
You're going to the highest level.
No.
You dressed really
You dressed really well. You're doing a really good job. You murdering. It's Nader on the dance floor. Talita, don't do this. Don't do this.
I don't know.
Usually the word is followed by queen. So boring. Yes.
Slang. Also, that's old. Slay queen. Something very interesting about the word slay queen,
Yeah.
right? So the way it started was, it was literally supposed to be like, you're doing well.
Okay.
You're slaying.
Yeah.
You're slaying,
Yes,
queen.
yes.
Usi slay queen. And then it started being about negative energies.
Started being already weak. Namashi. The nails. How did you get there? The
Exactly.
makeup.
So it was like a really positive term that was just like made to be negative.
As we usually do.
As we usually do, because people just don't like positivity. And so even now, Umdasi Slay Queen, you're not thinking of them as doing well. You're not thinking of them as like murdering the industry that they're in or
Slaying,
whatever.
no.
No, you're thinking of them as ukujai malia matot.
Correct, gold digger. It's
Yeah,
now like
100%.
completely just changed. Wild.
Slay Queen, hey! I like that.
2 more quickly.
Oh!
Spill the tea. Do you want points?
Can balisela bakwenza ngentoni? Tell me umlevo, babe.
Can't even laugh.
Laugh, my love.
Lovely. And then last but not least, mid.
Yeah.
It's
all right.
I'll take it average. That gives you 3 more points. That's
15 and a half.
15 and a half.
Hey, Anzama.
Last one.
Okay.
I really enjoyed this conversation. And you know, when I read this kind of stuff, it slaps differently. But now when I have a conversation with you, it just
Yeah, it hits different. It feels different.
Ah.
Yeah. 16 and a half. You're cool.
Hold on.
I'm the cool. You're cool. I'm the cool.
No, I copy it.
I'm not lasha, I'm not
Clever.
as
No,
we.
no,
But there's this slang that the younger ones have.
No. That's
Then-
Sigma.
Sigma.
No. That's.
And I don't have to know that.
No. Now
Maybe
I was
if
just
I
like,
had kids, but
when
like,
I was doing like my research, now I'm born about yeah, I'm gonna ask my 11-year-old that.
don't do
Oh,
that.
pop. No, skibidi toilet.
What does that mean?
The research the topic talk. I'm telling you. So yeah. So I mean, that's what I could come up with. I hope it's enough.
Yeah. Thank you.
Did
That
you
was
enjoy it?
actually
How much
so
did you
cool.
enjoy it? Let me do a survey. How much did you enjoy it on a scale of 1 to 10?
9.
Oh, okay. Facts.
It was good. It was really good. I
Facts.
know more than I thought I knew.
Yeah.
But it was fun.
Okay.
Made me feel like a part of society.
Yeah, made you feel young again.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
And I'm the those so sharp. Oh. Thank you, guys.
No, for sure.
To know is to know that you know nothing. We leave you with that.
Okay.
Mina, I know 15 and a half out of
16 and
16 and a half out of 17.
Fantastic.
But I know that I don't know that one.
Yeah. Fantastic. And I think that really also just speaks to really being knowledgeable is to know that you don't know everything.
100%.
There's so much to know, and really to be knowledgeable and to be wise is to know that really in the greater scheme of things you know nothing. And I think that also speaks to your ability, your capacity to be able to learn.
Yeah.
You're always able to learn. There's no point that you'll reach in your life where you're just like, I know it all.
No, not at all.
And the more you get to know, the more you know that you don't know. Love it.
Don't know what you don't know.
Yeah. What's
Really?
what's the Gen Z slang for that?
What?
That.
The understood or that? Calling to the highest level.
See you on the next episode, guys.
Love each other.